Continue this way. Okay.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
Now here we have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. This was the singular item that really caught my attention during Unpacked. You guys all know I love me some earbuds, and no matter how many I have, I don't think it will ever be enough. So when I heard of the features that these had, I had to try and get a look at them, get a feel for them, maybe even take a listen. There's no listening area set up at this store. At least they have them on display, which is more than I can say for the store near me. Now, let's do a quick comparison here. Now here we have my original Buds 2. You can just see, just looking at the case, it's a totally different texture on the Buds 2 Pro. It's more, let's put this here, it's more of a recycled texture. It feels good, but you can tell it's made from recycled material. A lot like the, which ones had that? Sony Link Buds series. Those also had the recycled material feel. Even the boxes look like they were recycled cardboard. Now, when we open up the Buds 2 Pro, you have a pair of earbuds that to me resemble the AirPods Pro. I don't know if that's the look they were going for, but the comparison is going to be made, so let's just accept that. But at least these come in different colors. The white, the black, there's a purple, I think there's a green. So at least you can get away from that direct comparison if you get something other than white. Now, the case is just all white with the buds matching the case. Whereas with the original Buds 2, the outside of the case was white, but the inside of the case matched whatever color buds you actually got. I thought that was a very nice feature that they had. It added a bit of uniqueness to your earbuds, even when they're not in use. The white with the purple, you know me and my purple, really stands out when you compare it to just all white. Now I know that's not important to most, not overly important to me, but I do wish they kept the dual color aesthetic of the earbuds. Now as far as the buds go, even the buds themselves feel made from some kind of recycled material, whereas the original Buds 2 felt kind of like candy. That's just the truth. They look like candy, they feel like a candy shell. These, not so much. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro look more like alien technology, more so than like a piece of simple plastic or candy, like I said, that goes in your ear. It's not a bad look. It actually looks pretty good. But personally, I wouldn't go for the white just to not have it be confused with AirPods. Even the black with the black mesh does look kind of boring, but you know, for those who like black earbuds, if they don't want it to stand out, you can't really go wrong with this all black look. Personally, I would go for the purple, and that's probably what I will get when they are on sale, because I really want to hear how they sound. And so I'm going to have to test that out myself. But as it stands, my Buds 2 have been my pretty much everyday buds, because they work fine, they have a great battery life, and they look good. And all the features I really need for everyday use are on these. So if the Buds 2 Pro can deliver like the original Buds 2 with the added features that they have, I'll be very happy. Ooh.
Hi, welcome. How are you? Welcome to the Ultimate Hi-Fi Sound Experience.
Do I get to hear the Buds 2?
Yeah, you can try them out. You want
Oh, shoot.
You could, any seat.
Super excited. I want a purple seat. I mean, they all look kind of purple. Okay, I'm going to sit right here. And it turned blue on me, of course.
So we'll have the Spotify app open. So
Okay.
you can put on the earbuds, the left is left, the right is right.
Right.
And then you could just put any song that you like, and you get to experience that 24-bit hi-fi audio as
Oh.
well as the 360.
Oh man, I am excited. So at the experience store, they have the Buds 2 to actually listen to. Wow. Okay. Let's see. All right. This is the left. No, this is the right in my ear. A very similar ring when they, and here's the other one. Okay, now we have the Spotify app open on the Z Fold 4. Let's see what we have here. I play this song so many times. I can hear the difference. Let's start. It's a lot cleaner sounding. Like when you compare them to the Buds Pro, the original Buds Pro, it does sound much more clean. A little tingy at the top when the cymbals hit, but that might be the song. Shacks sound nice. The piano comes through nice and clean, and you can really hear the little hit of the hi-hat. Not too hard. They're doing a little tremble on it, and all of the sound is coming through clean. I can't lie. These do sound better than my Buds 2. They sound a little bit better than the Buds Pro. Something it really is doing something here. That 24-bit. If you don't listen for the change in your music, you might not hear the different variations going on. Cymbals in the background, the midtones are a bit more lively, but it's definitely there. And it's clean. I think that's the biggest takeaway. And it's not mashed up. Every instrument is coming through clear enough that you can pinpoint the different instruments being used. The horns just came in, and you can still hear the violins. That was always the thing that happened before. Once the horns came in, the violins kind of got lost a little bit. This one, it balanced them out. If that's the 24K or the 24-bit audio, I'm here for it. I really got to compare these to the Google Buds Pro, because those did sound really good as well. Wow. So the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro sound really good. I'm pretty impressed with what they've been able to achieve with not even a year since their last high-end buds came out. So with that said, my name is NG, the Neon X, and really enjoying what Samsung has to offer in the audio space. This is what I'm into.